بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
About Arabic grammar.
الدرس الرابع، الجملة العربية. Listen for the Arabic sentence. الجملة العربية. The Arabic sentence divide into two categories, into two types. الجملة الفعلية، الجملة الاسمية. الجملة الفعلية the verbal sentence. الجملة الاسمية the nominal sentence. القاعدة النحوية grammatical rule. الجملة العربية تنقسم إلى قسمين وهما الجملة الفعلية والاسمية. Arabic sentences are divided into two types, verbal and non-verbal sentences. Now we need to define them, to know them. تعريف الجملة الفعلية, definition of verbal sentence. الجملة الفعلية هي كل جملة تبدأ بفعل فهي جملة فعلية. Every sentence begins with a verb. It is a verbal sentence. تعريف الجملة الاسمية, definition of nominal sentence. الجملة الاسمية هي كل جملة تبدأ باسم فهي جملة اسمية. Every sentence begins with a noun, is the nominal sentence. When you look to Arabic language, then the sentence can start with the verb. The sentence also can start with the noun. We already know which one is verb. We know already which one is noun. Then when we understand noun, we understand verb. But Arabic is, in this case, is more flexible than many languages, because Arabic, the sentence can start with the verb. The sentence can start with the noun. Most languages, they are not doing that way. Then you see, when the sentence start with the verb, it's called verbal sentence. When the sentence start with the noun, it's called nominal sentence. We go to the example. الأمثلة للجمل الفعلية. This is all example for the verbal sentence. We can look at it. ذهب محمد إلى المسجد. Muhammad went to the mosque. كتب خالد الدرس. Khalid wrote the lesson. يذهب حامد إلى السوق. Hamid is going to the market. تكتب عائشة الرسالة إلى أبيها. Aisha is writing a letter or a message to her father. اذهب إلى الدكان يا خالد. Oh Khalid, go to the shop. جلس المدرس على الكرسي. The teacher sat on the chair. اكتب الدرس يا حامد. Oh Hamid, write the lesson. When we look at these sentences, we know all the sentence started with the verb. ذهب is a verb. كتب is a verb. It's for past tense. يذهب is a verb for present tense. تكتب is a verb for present tense. اذهب is a verb for command. جلس is a verb for past tense. اكتب is a verb for command. Then whenever the sentence starts with the verb, this is called verbal sentence in Arabic. Then in Arab language, then that's why we say in Arabic جملة فعلية. التدريبات exercise. حدد الجملة الفعلية من الجمل الآتية. Now you just identify the verbal sentence from the following sentence. We only look the sentence which started with the verb. Okay, the example say القلم جديد وجميل. The pen is new and beautiful. You look at it, is this started with the verb or with the noun? Then this is not جملة فعلية. ذهب الولد إلى الملعب. The boy went to the playground. Then this is جملة فعلية because it started with the verb. Then the rest you can do. كتب المدرس الدرس على السبورة. The teacher wrote the lesson on the board. تخرج عائشة من المكتبة. Aisha exited or went out from the library. اجلس يا خالد هنا. Oh Khalid, sit here. ذهبت فاطمة إلى بيتها. Fatima went to her house. نفتح باب المدرسة في الصباح. We are opening the school gates in the morning. Now you need to see which one is the verbal sentence. You need to identify only the verbal sentence. You know it, the rule, any sentence started with the verb, that is the verbal sentence, either to be the verb past tense or to be present tense or to be command. التدريب الثاني exercise number 2. كون جملا فعلية باستخدام الأفعال الآتية. Make or form verbal sentence using the following verbs. Now you need to find yourself. ذهب, okay. Now we got ذهب. Then you need to make it ذهب خالد إلى السوق. Khalid went to the market. Now the rest you say فتحت. Now you need to make it this sentence فتحت. فتحت means open, but it means she opened. You say فتحت فاطمة الباب. Fatima opened the door. يكتب, he is doing. Present tense. يكتب. Then you need to complete this. يكتب الطالب الدرس. The student writing the lesson. In the rest you can do اجلس. It's command. Say اجلس يا علي هنا. وعلي, sit down here. Then the rest خرج تدرس or whatever verb coming, you need to complete the sentence and make it the sentence to be a verbal sentence because the sentence start with the verb. Then this sentence need to have subject and the rest of the sentence to make complete sentences. التدريب الثالث. هاتي 3 جمل فعلية فعلها ماض وب3 أخرى فعلها مضارع. Form 3 verbal sentences using past tense verbs and form 3 other verbal sentences using present tense. Now you look at it, you can, because it start with the verb, it will be past tense verb. Like we say, okay, كتب محمد الدرس. It is past tense, كتب. Then you need to do another things for present tense. يكتب محمد الدرس. Then Muhammad is writing the lesson. Then you need to start complete 3 sentences. The verb will be past tense. Then start with it. That is the verbal sentence. Then another 3 for present tense. Start with the present tense. Need to have the subject and the object. And that will be the sentence complete and correct. Okay, then you understand any sentence in Arabic started with the verb, that is called verbal sentence. In the next lesson, we will see the nominal sentence, inshallah ta'ala.